up, my fellows? We'll be playing Subway Surfers again, yay! So, this is gonna be part 2. Don't leave the video if I'm not talking, cause I'm just trying to, I don't really know, I do know what to talk about, Merry Christmas to you guys, I want to give a shout out to Super Baja Gaming, NTGMM, Retro Reaper, Emerald Finder, Wolf Keeper, and one more. Oh wait, never mind. That's something Dash Master. Kind of jerk now, so I don't really want to give him a shout out. So, well, anyways, all the other guys who I give a shout out to, Merry Christmas. So, yeah. I'm gonna try and do a better job than I did in the last episode. So yeah. Gosh darn it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Merry Christmas to all and to all good night. And like, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 and thank you. Bye!